Okay, I just picked up a 45-pound thrust Endura by Minn Kota, and this is a electric trolling motor. Goes on the transom here. I want it as kind of a little kicker troller next to my Mercury, and my Mercury, you can watch another video where I'm showing how to improve the compression for the cylinders. Okay, I'm not really big on unboxing, so I'm just gonna get it out of the box and I'll show you. I don't know if you're really into boxes and packaging, I'll show you it briefly. Okay, luckily there's not a whole lot in this box. Smell that fresh unboxed smell that some of you guys seem to like. But you have the basic motor. This is a 36 inch shaft length, and there's the transom clamp. You have the throttle here, throttle handle, and then you have some directions that I suppose I should read. And you have this, and then I'll show it on the back of the transom of this boat. Let's show a couple things here. This little guy right here, this tips like this. You hit this little button, and then you can tip this up like it's not doing it. Okay, so here's something I would advise. When you go to install this, I wouldn't have it right directly next to your main outboard, but you want it kind of on the level part of the transom. See how that slants right there? You don't want that kind of cockeyed. So I'm going to move this guy over slightly that way, and then move this over so they're not like bumping into each other when I go to lower or raise the motors. So I'll get back to you on this. I moved that over. Just wanted to point a couple things out. Obviously, this is your power. This goes to the battery. This throttle, see, it has a shape that corresponds with this shape and these, so you just line that up, then you push that on and push that into there, and then that's assembled. And then when you want to lift this, you can tilt it several different ways. Sorry, I'm not. You push this little lever right here, you hold it in, and then you can put it into vertical. I'm gonna hook up the battery so we can test this thing, and luckily we don't have to test this in water like we do on a gas powered. Okay, I got a 12-volt battery here. I'm gonna have this running the this Minn Kota. First thing that you should do, though, whenever you can, is take one of these little cleaners and clean off these terminals. It has this brush, steel brush on the inside, and you take this guy off, and I'll clean off the top of it with this, although this isn't really what this is for. This is for cleaning out the insides of the battery clamps. Minn Kota has battery terminals that look like this, and those are too small for the regular terminals on a battery. I need to pick up some of these guys, these battery terminal. They have smaller wing nuts here that you can attach the terminals of the motor on. You're going to put this guy on the plus, and you're going to put this one on the negative. Okay, I got the negative on, I got the positive on. Well, I almost have it on. Sometimes you gotta finagle it a little bit. I'm gonna tighten that with some pliers, socket or something. Anything you can get in there, because it's kind of a tight space. You just don't want to You don't want those to be able to rotate. Now you're going to put these posts onto these terminals and screw it down. Screw it down tight so it's not able to rotate. All right, that's pretty good. Now, remember that you want this, see if I have, you want this to turn to off, okay? Because you don't want this prop to just start turning when you plug this in. So you're gonna put this on, and then you're gonna then you'll turn it on after you secure this. Okay, so we have this secured, and now we're gonna just turn this clockwise so it goes into forward and see if the prop starts. We're gonna click that. There we go. We're gonna run it through some speeds. Looks like it's working great. I'm gonna turn it back to off, and now I'm gonna go in reverse. Cool. Nice. 3 speeds for reverse. So the next thing I will show is a test run on our local lake. So I have us at top speed here on the Minn Kota. I wouldn't say it's super fast, but the lower speeds don't seem to be doing much against this headwind. It's definitely a good enough speed to do some trolling though.
Another stick.
You caught another stick? Look at the bounty of the sea. Hold it up.